Hello children, I will teach you an English subject today. Okay, we'll study about comparing adjective. Okay kids, are you ready to listen to me? By the way, I am teacher Sabina. Okay children, fasten your seatbelt, then listen carefully. Ready? Before we start our lesson about adjective, okay, let's try to answer the activity first. Directions. Fill in the blank with the correct adjective. Choose your answer from the box. Use a separate sheet of paper. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, I will give you a minute to answer. Ready? Okay children, let's try to check your answer. They live in a beautiful house. What is the adjective beautiful? Number 2, Ben is an adorable baby. What is the adjective adorable? Linda's hair is gorgeous. Adjective is gorgeous. Number 4, he is a fat driver. Number 5, I have got little money. Check. Very good. Number 6, I meet homeless people in the streets. Good job, children. Very good. And then let's move on to our new lesson today about adjective. Okay, children, do you have idea what is adjective? What is adjective? Children, are you familiarized with the word adjective? Okay, let's try to check what is adjective. Okay, adjective are used to describe, identify, modify, or quantify nouns or pronouns. Adjectives have 3 degrees that compare one thing to another. That is adjective. And then let's try to discuss the 3 degrees of adjective. Number 1, what is this? Positive. And then comparative. And the last one is superlative. Kids, do you have idea what is this positive? Okay, positive degree is the simplest form of adjective. No change. What are the adjectives of color? How about size, shape, taste, and kind? Okay, let's go back to color. Okay, what is the color? Black, yellow, blue, green, and red. Okay, so that is the adjective of color. Size is small, big, large, little, and short. How about shape? Round, square, oval, star, and triangle. So how about taste? Bitter, sour, sweet, salty, and next in kind, cold, calm, happy, and angry. Another degree of adjective is comparative adjective. What is comparative adjective? Okay, degrees are used to compare between 2 subjects or objects. Okay, words end with ER. Louder, smaller, sweeter, colder, happier, and bigger. Okay, observe the word end with ER. Smaller end with ER. Sweeter end with ER. Colder end with ER. Happier end with ER. And bigger end with ER. Okay. Another degree of adjective, superlative, used to compare more subjects or objects. Words end in est. Loudest, smallest, sweetest, coldest, happiest, and biggest. Loudest end with est, smallest end with est, sweetest end with est, coldest end with est, happiest end with est, and biggest end with est. The word happy, okay, ends with y, and then omit the y, okay, and then change into I, become happiest. Okay. Children, I have here an example of words ending in y. So what happened? Omit the y and then change into I. Okay, adjectives ending in y. Okay, children, let's study the adjectives ending in y. Okay, let's try it. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Early. Okay, the y is omitted and then change into I and become earlier. Add er. And then, next is superlative. Earliest. Busy. Busier. Busiest. Pretty. Prettier. Prettiest. Angry. Angrier. Angriest. Sleepy. Sleepier. Sleepiest. Okay, children, did you observe the ending in y become I and then add est? Okay, children, I'll give you an example of a picture about comparative. Look at the picture. What can you say? Okay, the small one is Mark and the bigger one is Roel. Okay, let's make it into a sentence like this. Roel is bigger than Mark. Okay, the adjective is bigger, and then the comparative add er, and then the word clue is done. So, they compare between the two boys, Roel and Mark. Okay. Next, look at the picture. Another comparative. Two houses between Annabelle's house and Susan's house. Okay, let's make it into a sentence. Susan's house is smaller than Annabelle's house. Okay, where is the adjective? Smaller. Okay, add er, and then the word clue is done. Okay, compared between two houses, house of Annabelle and Susan. Okay, next, superlative degree of adjective. The picture is apple and then banana. The next one is cake. Okay, what can you say about the fruits? Apple is sweet, banana is sweeter, and cake is sweetest. Okay, let's compare into superlative degree. Okay, cake is the sweetest among the two fruits. Okay, what is the adjective? Okay, sweetest. Okay, add est, and then what is the word clue? Among. So what fruits compared to the cake? It is apple and banana. It is superlative. Why? Because it is more than three comparing objects or any subject. Another example of superlative degree. Look at the picture. How many children? There are 3 children. Okay, the young one, the younger one, and then the youngest one. Okay, so let's compare using superlative degree. Okay, like this sentence. Baby is the youngest among the two boys. Okay, where is the adjective? Youngest. Okay, and then add est because it is superlative. Where is the word clue? Among. Okay, how many boys compared to baby? There are two. So, more than 3 person comparing. So, it is superlative. Am I right? Very good. Okay, children, let's try to answer the activity. I'm sure you'll learn more about adjective because you listen to me. Am I right? Okay, direction. Complete its sentence. Choose the correct form of adjective in the parentheses. Use a separate sheet of paper. Ready? I'll give you a minute to answer. So the correct answer is fastest. Why? Because Jade compared to the group or many. Okay, what degree of comparative? It is superlative. Am I right, children? It is superlative. Okay, number 2. What's the answer? Bigger. Why? Because it is compared to person between Randy and Roy. Okay, it is comparative. What is the word clue? It is an. Okay, then. Okay, it is comparing two person. Comparative. What's the correct answer? Number 3, it is talented. Why? Because the word class, so meaning more or many. So Nora is comparing to the class, so it is superlative. Okay, did you get, children? It is very easy to understand. So, what's the answer in number 4? Easier. Why? Because of the word glue than. So, meaning more than 2. So, compared subject between math and English. So, it is comparative. Am I right? So, another activity. Direction. Copy and underline the adjective and tell whether it is in the positive, comparative, or superlative form. Okay, I'll give you another minute to answer.